Niharika, can you hear ma'am? Niharika? Okay, Evelyn? Evelyn?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you give me the answer to my question? Can anybody tell me the name of, can you guess the name of Mario's pet cat? Yes, Adira wants to answer. Tell me, Adira. Yeah, okay, tell me. Tell me. I cannot hear you.
Macaroni.
Yes, macaroni. It is. It's not macaroni. It is macaroni. Okay. All of you repeat after ma'am. Macaroni.
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 Not macaroni. It's macaroni.
Macaroni.
Macaroni. Very good. Okay. So Mario's favorite trick was the one that he
Macaroni.
did with his pet cat Macaroni. And what would he do to Macaroni? He used to make Macaroni disappear. He used to make Macaroni disappear. Okay. What is disappear? Now everybody can see ma'am on the screen. Is everybody able to see ma'am?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now are you able to see ma'am?
No.
Oh, ma'am has disappeared. Now ma'am has appeared again. Did everybody understand the meaning of disappear now?
Yes.
To be unable to find or see something or someone. Okay. That is the meaning of the word disappear. Okay, clear? Does anybody have any doubts here?
No.
No, okay, fine. Let's move ahead. Let's move ahead with the story. Okay. The favorite trick was the one that he used to do with his pet cat, Macaroni, and he used to just make Macaroni disappear.
Disappear.
But yes, disappear. But do you know what happened one day? One morning when Mario woke up, Macaroni was not to be seen anywhere. Macaroni was not to be seen anywhere. Mario was so sad. He wanted to meet his pet cat Macaroni. He started searching for Macaroni everywhere, here, there, in the house, in the garden, everywhere. But he was not able to find Macaroni at all. Mario was very sad and he wanted to get his pet cat at any cost. So he started for a journey in search of his pet cat. He started out, he set out on a journey to find out his pet cat. Yes. He was walking on the road and on the way he met Golly the mongoose. Golly the mongoose. Who was Golly? Aris, can you tell me who was Golly? Golly the tell me Aris. Golly the mongoose. Yes. Okay, Hannah. Golly was a mongoose. When Mario met Golly, he asked Golly, Golly, did you see my pet cat Macaroni? Golly said, oh no, I have not seen your pet cat. I'm really sorry. When he heard this, Mario became very sad, but he wanted to find out his pet cat from somewhere or the other. So he continued walking. Golly also came behind Mario. And Golly said, don't worry, Mario. I know a colorful parrot who lives on the hills. And his name is Percy. What is his name? Percy. Yes, Percy, the colorful parrot. Golly told that Percy is a very wise person. He knows about a lot of things. So he will surely be able to help you in finding macaroni. Okay. Mario was very happy to hear these words from Golly. Moreover, Golly was helping Mario in searching for macaroni. Golly and Mario started walking towards the hills. Percy lived in a tree house on the hills. Where did Percy live?
Tree house.
House
Tree
on
house.
the hills. After walking for some time, Mario and Golly reached the tree house where Percy lived. When they reached the tree house, Mario knocked on the door. How do we knock on the door? Knock, knock. Are you there? Everybody show me how do we knock? Knock, knock. Are you there? We knock with our knuckles. Yes. Knock. Are you there? Yes. Okay. Good. So when Percy knocked on the door of the tree house, when Mario knocked on the door of the tree house, Percy opened the door and Mario asked him, Percy, have you seen my macaroni anywhere? Percy said, are you asking about Macaroni the cat? When Mario heard this, he was so happy. He started jumping with joy. He was so happy and he said, yes, yes, I am talking about my pet cat, Macaroni. Yes, he is a fluffy, orange-colored, cute little cat. He was very happy. Percy said, yes, don't worry about your pet cat. He is right here with me in my house, and you can come inside and see him resting and sleeping there by the fire, near the fire. Okay. Then Mario was very happy. He went inside and he saw that his pet cat, Macaroni, was really resting there inside her. Percy told Mario that he has already given milk and biscuits for Macaroni to have. What did Percy give Macaroni? Milk and biscuits to eat. Then Mario asked Percy, my dear Percy, from where did you find my macaroni? At this, Percy replied, sometime back in the afternoon, I was flying around with my friends. That is when I saw this cat who was looking very sad and walking around here and there. Then he flew down to the cat, and that is when the cat told him the entire story. He took pity on the cat and took him to his tree house and took very good care of him. Finally, in the end of the story, Mario was very happy to meet his pet cat Macaroni once again, and he thanked both Percy and Golly for their help and kindness. Okay, with that we come to the end of the story. What lesson have you learned from the story, my dear kids? Who can tell me? Janvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me what is the lesson that we have learned from the story?
Ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am, helpfulness and kindness.
Helping and
Kindness.
kindness are the real magics in our life. Helping and kindness are the real magics in our life. I want everybody to repeat the moral. Helping,
Kindness.
are the real magics in our life.
Are real magic in our life.
Did everybody understand it?
Yes.
Okay, good. I want to ask you a few simple questions. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Now I want Yuvan to answer. Yuvan, can you hear, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Who was Golly?
Ma'am, I cannot hear it.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You will tell me who was Golly.
I'm that boy.
I want silence in the backdrop, please. You win? Did you listen to the story?
Yes.
Please tell me who was Golly.
I'm that mongoose.
Yes, Golly is the mongoose from our story. Okay, well done. You win. Good. Okay. I want Mayasa. Mayasa, can you hear, ma'am?
Yes.
Yes, Mayasa. Please tell me who was Percy.
Percy the parrot.
Percy is the colorful parrot from our story. Good, good job, Mayasa. Okay, fine. Now, Shribhadra. Can you hear, ma'am? Shribhadra? Shribhadra, say yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, speak louder. I can barely hear some of the students. Okay. Why was Mario little different from the other 11-year-old children?
Because he want to become a British.
A what, Shribhadra?
Because he want to become a Britician.
Magician. Please repeat the word. Magician.
Maria was
Shribhadra, I cannot hear you.
magician.
Please repeat.
Magician.
Yes, very good. Now you got the correct word?
Yes.
Okay. Now you have to tell me one more thing, Shribhadra. I want to get the concept clear. Who is a magician? Mario. Repeat, Mario.
Mario. Repeat it.
Is wanted to become a magician.
Who is magician?
Who is a magician? What do they do? What do magicians do?
Mario. Who is the magician? Mario.
Bhadra? What do the magicians perform, Shribhadra? Magic tricks. Very good. Now, did you understand the meaning of the word magician? Okay, good. I'm happy because I cannot leave you without understanding the entire thing. Okay. Okay, good. I'm happy about it. I want Azad. Azad, can you hear, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I have already given you a clue about my next question. I want you to tell me how old was Mario?
11 years old.
Yes, Mario was a 11-year-old boy. Okay. Okay. Did everybody understand the story? I want all of you to repeat the moral or the lesson that we have learned from the story once. Together, I want you all to say. What is the lesson that we have learned from the story?
Kindness and kindness.
Helpfulness and kindness are the real magic in our lives. Okay, wonderful. I want everybody to clap for themselves and give themselves a pat on their back. Very good. You have performed really well. Really well. Very good. Very good. I'm really happy. I'm very happy to hear answers from you. Good job.
Children.
Now, ma'am is going to share the screen for you. Please hold on. Be there.
നമ്മുടെ ഒരാള് എന്നിട്ട് അവരെ മജീസായിട്ടും വേറെ സ്ഥലത്തേക്ക് മാറ്റാൻ അത് ശരിയല്ല.
ഇതൊരു ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് പറഞ്ഞാൽ മതി.
The screen will be in front of you now. Please be there.
നല്ലതിലേ ഇത്
ക്ലാസ്സിലെ കുട്ടികളാണോ? ഈ എല്ലാ കുട്ടികളാ. ഓ 8:30 അവർക്ക് ക്ലാസ് ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു.
Yes, I have shared the screen for you. Are you able to see it?
Yes.
It's coming for you. Okay, it's there. What is written there on the first slide? English literature standard 3. Which class are you all in?
3.
Okay.
Standard.
Third standard. Wonderful. The story that we have heard now and understood now is the first lesson of your English literature textbook. Okay. And the name is Mario's Cat. What is the name? The name of the lesson is Mario's Cat. Okay. Can everybody see the screen?
Yes.
Okay. I want Arjun to read it for me, the entire screen. Please read it loudly and clearly.
Mario was a happy boy. He loved his parents.
Read it, continue.
He
I can
was
see
not
somebody
a
scratching on the screen. Please don't do that at all. It is making the screen look very dirty.
11-year-old, he loved doing magic tricks. He wanted to be a magician.
He wanted to be a magician. Very good, Arjun. I have put a blank there and I wanted the answer, but I'm really happy to get the answer from Arjun without even asking the question. Good, good. Well done, Arjun. Okay.
Thank you,
Now I want Adinath to read the next. Adinath, can you hear, ma'am? Adinath, please read. Can you hear, ma'am? I think he cannot hear me. I'll move on to Vaishnav. Vaishnav Vijay, please unmute and read the entire slide. Loudly, loudly. Come closer to the device. Come closer to the device. Now read loudly.
Mario worked very hard at magic. He kept learning
Dash. He kept learning different dash from different books.
different
What did he try to learn?
magic.
Magic. And what was he trying to learn? Magical what was he trying to learn?
Tricks.
Tricks. Very good. Very good. Okay. Continue reading. Continue.
His favorite trick was with his cat Macaroni.
With his cat
A large, fluffy
Macaroni.
favorite cat ആണ് macaroni.
Repeat after ma'am. Macaroni.
bear.
Okay. Macaroni was a
Was a large, fluffy orange cat.
very good.
Mario could make him disappear.
Disappear. Wonderful. Okay. Well done. Well done. Okay. Good. I want Adinanda. Can you hear me now?
Ma'am.
Yes. Adinanda, please read the next slide. Adinanda.
Macaroni cloud not be found.
Could not be found. Repeat.
Mario was very sad.
Okay, please wait. Please wait.
Mario
Please ask
threw.
ma'am. One day,
ഓരോ ലൈനായിട്ട് നോക്കി പോയാൽ
one
മനസ്സിലാവും.
day,
One day,
macaroni
macaroni
could.
could
It's not cloud, it is could.
could
Could not be found.
could not be found.
Well done. Please continue. Mario.
Mario was very sad.
Okay. Yes.
Mario thought,
Thought.
had he run away?
Had he run away?
Had he run away?
Okay, good.
Mario
Hmm?
Mario set out to find him.
Very good. Continue.
On the way, he met Gulli.
On the way.
On the way,
Hmm?
he met Gulli.
Collie.
The way he met the mongoose.
The mongoose.
The mongoose.
Okay.
Gulli lived under the large tree.
Okay. Well done. Good. Give a big clap to Adrinanda. Fantastic. Okay. I want Nanda Krishnan. Can you hear, ma'am? Please read the next slide.
Gulli asked
Mario asked. Golly,
Mario
have you seen macaroni?
have you seen macaroni?
Very good.
Gulli said,
Huh?
no, sorry, I haven't seen
him.
haven't seen him.
Hmm. You should ask
You should ask
Percy the colorful parrot.
Percy is colorful
Okay.
He knows everything. He is very wise.
Continue.
Mario wants
Okay, I think there is some connectivity issues. I'm not able to hear. Anyway, the time is up for today's session. Do you all have the textbook with you?
Yes.
Okay, for those who don't have, I will take, okay, no problem. I will take an image of the story and, okay, fine.
No.
I will take an image and send it to you in the group. I want all of you to read the lesson. Okay, will you do that?
Yes.
I want you to read it slowly and clearly. Okay, fine. Did you enjoy the session?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. Take care and be safe. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.